Did you know someone discovered a 10,000-year-old refrigerator that never needs electricity? Sarah moved to remote Alaska, seeking freedom from modern chaos, but keeping food fresh without power became her biggest nightmare. Spoiled meat, rotted vegetables, wasted money. Until one misty morning, she noticed a strange depression behind her cabin covered by weathered boards. Underneath lay a perfectly preserved underground chamber, walls lined with ancient permafrost. The temperature inside? Exactly 32 degrees Fahrenheit, year-round. An elderly Inupiat neighbor explained this was a traditional root cellar, used by his ancestors for thousands of years. He taught her the old ways: how to layer fish between ice and moss, preserve berries in seal containers, store caribou through harsh winters. Soon her mornings were spent harvesting wild blueberries in golden light, catching salmon in crystal streams. The cool underground chamber became her lifeline, connecting her to generations of Alaska survival wisdom. Ancient technology providing complete food security, no electricity required. This could be your life.